Hello guys! Today I'm making a video entirely in English. Oh yes, and I'll be eating an orange. Orange, orange, orange. But why am I doing a video in English though? Because I know there are people that should be watching my content, but don't speak Portuguese. So I gotta make foreign content. So this is my basic content, but in English. Yeah. First piece of orange.
Esse vídeo tem em inglês, mas não posso deixar meus fiéis viewers sem nenhum contexto. Então este vídeo é em inglês porque deu vontade de fazer um vídeo em inglês.
So now I am back to speak in English. That's it, buddy. I gotta eat the orange. So today, I am only be eating one orange. And to be honest, I don't plan on bringing more English videos unless there's one that's really great, with a bunch of likes and subscriptions and comments. But it probably won't. So I will, most probably stick with the traditional Portuguese, which is my mother language. While eating this orange, I am playing a Roblox game about digging. That's it. I don't know if it's a good game, but it seems like it is. This week I was playing very much a game called Ultimate Mining Tycoon. It is pretty cool, but it gets boring after you start doing rebirths, because it's so repeating process. There's nothing new to do. At least until they launch another update, I don't think I will be really playing that game. Although I recommend for you to play, just to experiment. Oh, game. Also, maybe I talked too fast. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I'm not. I am happy eating an orange. Why would I ever be sorry? Damn. This orange got this really bad thing. Just this thing. Where part of the outer layer gets stuck into the inner layer. So it gets, I don't know how to say it, but it's a bad taste. It's like eating the outer. I also don't know the name. Well, I guess that's it. 10 minutes for a single orange is not that great, but it is how it is. I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I hope the English video satisfies you. Love for all of you. Bye bye.